In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the IFERROR function in Google Sheets. So we have our sample dataset right here, and I've used the VLOOKUP function to extract some of this information. Now let's say I made an error of inputting some of the customer ID, and now we have an error. What we can do to change the outcome. Let's say it is an error, but you don't want to see it as an error whenever you put in the wrong customer ID. What you can do is to edit the formula. So we're going to start at the beginning. Type in if error. Then your open parentheses, go at the end, comma. Then you're going to decide what you want to see when there is an error instead of an error. Let's say you just wanted to leave it blank. So we're going to put quotation, space, quotation, closing parentheses, and enter. And there you have it. There's a blank whenever there's an error. So what if we put back the number 2 there? It gives us the correct answers because the ID is correct. But again, if it's incorrect, it gives you the error. But this time, if there is an error right here on this side, it will show you a blank cell. We can do that to the rest of our data. Again, just type in if error at the beginning, after the equal sign, open parentheses, proceed to the end, comma, what you want to replace it with, and enter. And there you have it. Now we can do it to the rest of our data. And now we've edited all of our formula that if there is an error, it will show up a blank instead of the error message. So let's change that back to the correct customer ID. Press enter. Again, if you made an error, let's say just put in 10, you have blank spaces. And that's just one of the many ways of how to use the IFERROR function in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.